So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So Shay, I get beaten from all angles, my people. Everybody I come out come beat Shay. You have Ivany, I put on some lick. You have Shay ex-girlfriend, I put on some wicked lick. You have Destiny, I put on some wicked lick too. You know what I mean? They might expose so much things about her and I diss her in the wickedest way. You see me? So I'm gonna share that with you, my people. Also, Able Boss buy back a beast, my people. The man drop a beast. Is it? All them attacks of the dog broke and all these things. The man drop a beast. I don't know if my lady Louis start chat back and she put some money toward it. Or what? You see me, but the man drop a beast of people. And also Brit man, Zozo, you know what I mean, have some things to say to Brit family. So we are going to get in all of that, my people. So these are the things we have to share with Uno. You see me, maybe add more to it as we go on, so we could jump in ahead, my people.
Blood clots and I come there. Game. Because remember saying your father look at me and tell me say I'm road well if you find your blood clot small in your mama because you know wicked, you know. Me have them vice note there in a shade. So you can't blood clot bring me down, you know. Me tell you if you have
Mr. Chevy and Kim, me say you have some and Stacey, me say you have one video actually me can't find it. The man say when the man a cuss out, the man say in what Jamaica. And the man say, Shay, mother, come look for me, love. And the man say, Shay, mother, look for me, run. And say, miss, I know you may come to. The way Shay, mama,
But me da run to Destiny. Come they put the farmer down and suck a perfect Batman for two. Perfect Batman.
Man say this is Shay, but I'm gonna say miss I know you may come to me.
Destiny, you see
hold on, no man, hold on. If you full video on YouTube, find it because it depend it depend life of Instagram, but me not find you can't find anybody you can't find it, share it to me back. Want find him alone. Yeah, talk baby girl.
Mr. Destiny, yesterday when you put up a picture, talk truth. Me never watch the Hawaiian movie them with the people them a roast pig. Or them Mexican with them roast the pig and then roast it till the skin just get thick and brown and just, you know, real crispy. When you put the woman picture, that's how I could have seen myself blouse and skirt. I'm fried. Look at them long time old prisoner. Like them long time old prisoner will have the back room around. Me say, no sir.
Me say Kim Ann, are two things alone me I go say. She wicked and she ate Queenie and she ate her mother. Because bad to bad, as much as me not like her, me can't give her props. Her body did look just fine before she do surgery. The way how she ate her partner before she got paid down for Queenie do one breast reduction surgery, she got fix for her wet bumbo. And then her mother they are Jamaica before she pay for her mother do one gender reassignment surgery. Her mother look like a perfect man.
No, Star Girl, me not see back life of Instagram page. Go type in and see it back over there. Me not see it back.
Her mother want surgery to correct her
features. Me not see life of Instagram again on YouTube like a guy. Me not see it. Go over there, go look at the see it. Me can't find it. Tell me if Instagram, make me know. Come, I go make the man say. The man when him sick, it's Shay mother come. I man talk some things, I'm more than that. The man say a wicked girl, you come and come and inform and talk about people have gone and sit now. Everybody hates you. Look at find life off Instagram. On YouTube.
Me say
find life off Instagram on YouTube, they may show no. The man say when Shay mother come, I say lady I'm with the combo.
Lydia, yeah, she said she never call her, she never call her for try to get back her baby. Very careless. I could never sleep at night. I don't know if my child truly okay. Very careless.
And the people are
very careless.
With that.
Because one thing my grandmother always tell me, nobody else not gonna take care of your child but you. Nobody else not gonna do it as good as you. You as the mother, you I feel responsible to take care of picnic out. I feel bumbo them drop. And kids never ask the year that we go find cocky sit down pan and breed. Take care of your responsibility. You know the same area with your child. You don't, when you get up a morning time, you put something in your mouth. You don't even know if your daughter eats.
If she eats.
You don't know what kind of care she in her. And as me say, me not talk from people picnic, but just by the video when me see the one day when she have the baby baby in the park, you can tell that they're not grooming her right. Because remember, I know, the pick them about Europe, but them here more easier for deal with, it's more relaxed, it's easier for they kind of scratched up or whatever. But to deal with someone like black kids like us, you need someone who can actually groom the ear properly, can deal with that type of hair. So no more that wish patch that they don't know how to handle her ear, so them just make it let loose.
But she know that when she was here, she now walk with some bubbles and some ear treatment and take time to comb her baby ear real quick and stuff.
At the same thing, need I say, when you come to do the visitation, then you know sit down and ask them if you can catch up the ear or gel it or whatever, fix it up.
In there.
And for sure, oh, she not have no shame. Remember, she love proof for the media. The day when you put out that video, they should make sure say the same Dior and all of the brands them where you claim to say she always near. Should make sure say you bring one suit, right? So as you put on the video, she not the decent clothes brand them where you say she always in and her ear slip back and nice and.
You have to represent for your picky them. Represent.
You know a careless woman, careless woman. I prefer look like Puppy and my daughter look well dressed.
Hold on. Let me say something.
Suppose take up people. Shaki, go suck your madam. Come on.
Hold on.
Yeah.
The people in the comment section that saying that was not her child. They don't know the child. I know for years. That is child. That is her baby. Shay is a black fucking girl and the man blood clad black a bleach. The pitney grow. You must see her pitney that. You must see her look girl that. It is sure. I'm telling you.
Her baby, she not go born a baby.
Her blood clot pitney me love.
Even when you watch the video, you can tell say I don't know regular part them there. A facility she there, a facility park the baby in her. Even when you look on the video, you can tell that too enough people don't live over here can see them in the States to Destiny. When them take what they pick them from them mother and them there in a state care, I see them way look.
It's always a one outdoor playground. Playground people call it.
Yeah, keep on them is. Shay cannot bring none of her man, they put it to a blood clot park. Cause the woman will shake, woman blood, woman will only the way. And some terrible blood clot when I told her that actually crazy. Then the people can go on Shay. You mad? The thing when they say me attack, the thing I lie me I tell. Me have been know people are Belgium, so me get all the man number. Somebody at Belgium send me man number. I said the man that looking, but the man a prayer. So no lie me I tell me have the number right after the show now. They tell you no. Our daughter is our daughter. She cannot get the little girl. All the man me done. That's what you're doing, man.
Our daughter, of course. And then she post rosealee. Rosealee not to do visitation with her children. She not have to do visitation with them.
Go over our comment and go type 2108. That alone, when you type 2108.
All of the fake girl them from over our life when they can't stop from talk. We are talk about it. Yes, she will be the topic from forevermore.
Yeah, chat people.
So the people, why Shay daughter that one facility? You don't know? Why she at a facility? Why them people are still, you know? Them not have them priorities straight, you know? That me I telling you, you know? You see me, them prefer, as me say, people have to know how them do them body. Doing your body, if you're rich and have money, doing your body a normal thing. You cannot spend some money because you're rich. If you're broke and have no money, doing your body should be an investment. Where you later are going to get back your money where you do your body for. Them just do body because everybody do. You see me? And me can't tell a person not to do their body, but them not have them priorities right in the right places. You see me? Because you have a piece of money, what you going to do? Spin around the money there, invest in something, do a business. You know, spin around the money there, multiply, you know what I mean? Make interest. Do other things with it, and when you come around to do your body, you just go do it, and you don't have to worry about nothing. Because here the people them must say, I Brit money, she take and go do the body. The video I put up before this one, yeah? Sky Diamond expose all of the payments where Shay do to get the body done. You see me I say, but hey, when you tell more, you think in the comment section, we are going to watch some more.
Yeah.
When should I talk about TikTok thing there?
Alright.
I chat people, that's what I do now. Hope I'm proud.
So once you dump on girl, you're supposed to dump on her. One thing you dump on her, say
chat for chat, so free word. Chat, yo.
Me no
Chat
want
for chat.
nothing else about her. And me's not a girl. We are going to message no girl and nobody
We
but no
just a
file
chat
about
people,
her.
like
And
us
one
say
thing
chat
me keep
people,
on and
nothing
say,
new.
and is that she's a careless mother. That's all me. That's
Don't
all
say
me. I say she careless.
on TikTok live for 3 weeks straight for chat people. It's the same thing.
Yeah, she said she wants she a TikTok celebrity, so
Yeah, that's
we go chat,
we
we
just
chat
care,
about
we don't
Beyonce again, we
care.
go chat.
But it's where I do.
Hold on, no guys.
Come and sit.
Hold on, one time, no guys, man. She bought a set to her that you dig people, so people must can dig you back.
Right.
It's where I do.
Yeah.
When I hide.
After a girl up here, so any girl up here,
We
so
don't
one
like, we don't hold on to
for them pick me
we
there.
don't, she can't do it like TikTok liar where everybody pan. Me the only talk the Monday and me talk this Sunday. Me the only talk about A and me talk about B. No, we're out. Loud and proud. We are chat
And she
people.
bring me out.
No explanation
So
of the
tell her
behind.
thanks, Shay.
Yeah. All Anna,
Are you make me know it go?
invested. Me see she invested in the Anna business. Or one of the father, one this and that. At least Anna have her child with her. At least Mother's Day, Anna
That's why we
can
are
snap a picture with her
chatting.
child.
Baby, stop on the top talk. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing.
Mute.
Welkom.
Answer. Him answer while I go phone in, but you no talk, him hear when no say. That's why I tell you say no say nothing. A the man. Don't say nothing.
Welkom bij voicemail.
You say Belgium voicemail. Alright, talk. Uno can't talk.
Yeah, the TikTok commenter said the father over Sky Diamond. Him over Sky Diamond live. That's why.
Over
Okay.
But Skype, not Skype man live.
Let me say him over Sky. I wonder if you could have clicked into Sky while I make hear him and say I bring her down. Let me say him
Me
over
not see
Sky.
that. Maybe I the voice note the Sky that played him the long time voice note.
Okay.
But me not see Sky the live. So I will see Sky the pan live.
I'm going to advise what we happy with Sky and then the back.
Probably that's Sky.
Sky the pan. Which stage? Sky no the live. Which page Sky the pan? When you so fucking done. When you say the baby father over Sky live. No we come
Him over
this.
there.
Hold on, Stacy man. When you say the baby father over Sky live. No, you know come over here and talk about so she a say she a talk about Sky. Make up no blood clot mine. I saw no done, so you see
come from uptown and all of them something.
No, the one with see there guys. The first shake.
time and she come up to a queen and shit.
No, I see me attack. Them have some capture line up there, but they use plywood.
Another time they know what's first time.
Alright, put the picture with you.
The people that might take your blood cannot down here for come down where you release video for me.
Yeah, see there guys.
Anyway, later guys.
Later, big up yourself. The lady with it give you info. The lady that we send our house now, they are Beverly Hills. And I be a rich people live down now. Make sure explain to me, because I don't know Beverly Hills, you know.
No, she said the people sometimes I'm not enough time in the residential area in the hills. The one who place a bush.
She can't shade it again.
No picture of Shay. Me and Shay ever go dance, girl. I'm tell him I know Shay personally. As I tell her, say sure, it's better
No,
off done
no lie,
Shay.
Battery Dolly. New name, Battery Dolly. No lie, the girl now tell
Bless.
Battery
But chop
Dolly.
two Che batty old dirty woman.
Battery Dolly. Where is the lie?
Them still over here the French Shay.
Battery Dolly.
Them never ever stop, but Shay can't come on me because only Shay can say about me before never want me. But before never want me, fair man never want she neither.
Where go boy? Why
Yeah.
you blood to speak?
Yeah, Gally.
Yeah, don't for that, my love. Come
Don't afraid that. I'm not afraid that.
For that.
She have nothing for me. She have nothing for me because before never yet take my dress for this and send it out yet. And show out stiff it me, so she can't secret for me. And the truth me attack, our kids them is better off without her because she's not a mother, she's a drunk. Our kids them better. I just the truth. Me know you, I know, and nobody else can talk. If you want your friend them to her she, the man never want you, and still no want you. That's ever switch go to woman.
Hold on, come here now, mother of the little boy or the father.
Are the father of the little boy down a gully?
Jesus Christ, you can say, oh my God, wicked no man.
Me don't know about that girl. Me know.
My mother now no blood clot can't no put yourself woman ugly. I'm favor blood clot fetus.
But I'm not have time for that to take care of pitney. If one time media Jamaica, she never have time for look on her grand pitney. One time she there foreign and this so far she don't have time to look up her grand pitney.
Wait, Dali, BMW body. None of our ex-man them not have no TikTok account. Where you know she used to do in our community. None of them not on TikTok.
Our Facebook.
We need to get to
Facebook. She does.
Mother for go look because me no girl you can't friend Shay them man enough cause Shay we eat.
One girl come talk to you, Shay.
Wait, no,
so one girl
Mama,
say
give me their Facebook. Give me their Facebook. Short for them. Give me their name and maybe find. Mama, take my number. Get a next phone and write down my number. Write down my number, Mama. Write down my number. You can't give me wallet for info when you need. Take my number right now. Me I'll give it to you publicly. Take the number, Mama. Take the number.
You can inbox me a number like I'm follow you and you follow me back.
I wish I send now. Should the girl
I have find a couple of the man. Now we can find. To the amount of man where you say Shay, they will find 130 man to come out. Don't
you have any pressure pill?
We can get 130 man to come out, right?
Shay go on the internet. She make a beef and I say no. I Shay go on so no man. Me say come on to woman business. Me say lower alone. Me call we know but nobody else don't know. Because she go with other people, she tell them different things like she ain't a good girl, everybody ever pass. So just talk your truth and leave it. Me ever pass, we go dance with you too. You ever pass, we go dance with me too. I will do the also go out with yourself and do the things them. But it's just like you just work and sell pussy and fuck enough man. Me to just start come a road and become I watch the man cocky and them something there. But what it is, come and take your truth, because you can live your truth too. Don't come go and say you're all the best person ever because you're not.
Look here, BMW.
Shay file dirty Shay.
You can't take time with her, remember she have asthma.
We not take time with her, goody. Give me the first.
Look sugar water. Sugar water,
look how she nearly killed Anna. Look at Gary Renan.
Yeah, look what she did with Anna. She no better than Anna. You know, she a batty Dalina party, and look what she did with Anna. But me did tell her
she never cared for her.
We not BMW body and me and your par. We not ease her up.
Crazy.
We not ease her
up.
up.
No sky. Me gonna mix some sugar and water for her. So she drop long over there.
Hey people, you see me telling you say yo, cussing on social media, you know will get you nowhere more than your business exposed out on Front Street. You see me I say here what them want to know, them want some kind of boyfriend to go expose Shay some more, you know? So they want info on Shay boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, whatever. Seeing and them putting that out there, you know, watch and see if Sky Diamond, Destiny or the next female them now go come back, come expose some things, because somebody I go see that with them and Shay and a friend and we know our ex-boyfriend for Shay. You see me I say I saw it I go with people, because if you cuss on social media, people are going to see you when they like you. Give information and people are going to get it and come bring it down right back on social media. You see me I say. So, wanna make me know what they think the people. We are watch some more because we have enough more to cover.
That's terrible, eh? That's a terrible song. I'm not my love, but take my love.
BMW, them time if you ask about her eye.
One to her eye.
A blue eye she have?
Hey, go on.
Blue eye farm.
What kind of blue eye? She not done yet. What kind of blue eye? I was supposed to put that blue eye.
Why? Oh God.
I can't talk to one living now.
What do you mean blue eye?
Jesus Christ, me can't manage them. I saw them for them file dirty.
But you're Jamaican, you're Negro.
But
But
Sky, you should
nice
ask
here,
that
a black guy me have.
Sky, you should ask that question because they know that when a woman just come back to her eye never look so.
Me know we come in if you ask, so me ask.
I never look so.
On the top
Me know
Rosalie,
we still ask. We must Sky a liar. Me still ask. Members Sky a liar. Me I go ask. Cause me talk them say I'm lying.
This need mother of the year, Rosalie, but too bad. Rosalie is never do a shot at
Moderator crazy.
Rosalie.
You have a comment.
See me, yeah.
Rosalie never give a Barbara and Shanta.
Nobody can go up on their live, but this time nobody supposed to come over here on this way. See it here right here, so I see me comment I they give me moderator, me mute some of them, then go for the fake page and mute the fake page too.
Shay, you know where I'm come for you?
No worry,
I know where I'm come to the back, Shay, I'm tell you, cause you see you was my friend, you know, but I'm telling you, it's a pussy wall.
We make we hear our story, Destiny. Talk BMW body. Put up a picture with your nar so the people when you come in can
come
see.
You borrow my money and then you want to come on and bring me down. I want to ask you my money. When you come back to Jamaica, you buy your man them peer things, their cologne, this and the man still the man don't want you. Cause the man the America, the man fuck you and duck you and gone left you a long time. You suck from now the next time you see the old man.
Understand?
Yeah.
When she just travel, she did come back to Jamaica?
The first time, yes. The first time.
Before she bring a job.
The first time, yes, and then to go again, like the money sweeter.
No,
and
look
to go again.
Look at to bring the drugs the first time.
Well, yeah, so that the friend I said she do it the first time and get
and to come back.
Sweeter.
Yeah, and she go back again.
Talk.
She come back and then she go back again. When she go back again the last time, we not here now see it. We start hearing the comment to say them all lamp now with jugs and sitting now. We are saying and we say she dey at prison and if but Shay, come on. Shay no say
What
it's in front of our file.
Make people see say she.
Yes.
She's the one who said she start a war.
Yes, she the
Two of them the one that said she start a war. When she start talking, they text her. But we there. And guys, that is our right name.
It's and then she say that me see that she say my name is not Sade Sabrina Stewart. Lie.
Yeah, when me ball it out,
lie. You know
everything me say them tell me a liar, girl. When me ball it out, she say I know so she name me love.
That is her name. She just answered up on Facebook and everything. That is her name. That is, she texts me then and I'm screen to the long time because I know say that you gotta do because I know her style. She love class already and bring down people and she feel like I all bring down. Try the better try the better now then. If they pass it bad, so we're not clicking with your pass and then try the better then no, you're not doing better because you got Jamaica for Brit. But Jay I don't go where pay a gun and because you know if my friend never dead, don't never drop out don't a gully, don't a home side word, gully with a mash up. You see the war go on, I need to go and take JR, but they want to help Brit. They left from all
okay, all right, guys, all right. Yes, BMW coming up. Me know me not either to me attack, guys. Look here, me know me not either to me attack. I'm thinking.
I don't know crazy. Oh.
I think I say, but why she want to help Brit? But say half a clout she want, but half a clout and she have something for teeth because if your son down there, I mean no say the EU visa easy to get. I say you have documents in America where you're there. So you should have 1, 2 for you take up your son then.
Everybody in the comment type, mommy, where are you? Please.
The community where I'm on a gully is a very bad community.
Where are you?
Very bad community. Last year 2 man dead on there and appear 2 killing a going back to back.
Yeah, man.
And I won the email and the community very small and I go there so. And she was sent to JR when it get asked.
He paid your name baby comment.
That's crazy.
It's not about how much now that body.
Crazy black
Shay. I'm not really sure, but it's not a big boy. I pity that. I go.
Baby, I Shay and
I pity that now. I can't find high school.
Because
my daughter's 6-year-old now this year, and me know JR from when I left Jamaica before she left Jamaica. JR,
Hey, my people. Well. as far as the whole Brit situation, me did think say from morning is like Shay want do that situation there to make her money. And that people are say, right? As far as our son situation, yo, if a mother or a father live overseas and them picnic live in the inner city and know how the inner city stay because that no ramp for snuff out the life of whole heap of people picnic. You understand me? What them have to do, my people, I try them best to get them youth of them foot to a better place to live, because we know say she would like for that foreign and here say boy the youth drop out or whatever, right? So she have to, as me say, put her priorities them in a order. You understand me? And that the money that she use and do her body could help to sort out our youth. Sort out our youth. You see what I say? So let me know what you're thinking in the comment section of people.
Did I got Holy Rose primary?
See the addicts.
So,
okay, so my teenager now then.
yeah, man, a big boy that man. Big boy. Go there on TikTok, you watch everything too. And I said the things then.
I know I'm feel. Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Big boy that.
Yes, Shay still a
Big boy.
And so you tell me say Shay's son live in our community named Gully with Waragwan and she not try to take her son out of
That's the old. That's how I was Sarah talk with me ever say. Cause you know something in the bed of the man and both of we know you. So we I say, babes, what Shay? I said this and I said that. I say Shay.
Still a win, the fine.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Tasha, man, from Shay, come hype and Shay long time. Come know nothing about Shay. The reason I'm coming in the box, but when
I watch you live.
Sure, it's better off without Shay.
Talk out to your blood club. I told them a dirty mama that said, come on, pick up.
Talk. Yeah, come, you know what going on, baby, you hurt, but
I told them a dirty mama. I told them a dirty mama would do the same thing.
You can't say if you have pitney, you're a good mother because you're a girl friend and you don't like the condition with the pitney in a gully and she on the media go and the most say come talk. Nothing wrong with that. You know, careless somebody not carelessness. You can't say you're are two different somebody.
Girl, be the American now. And my daughter, I'm the visa before I come America. I'm coming to America for my work program.
We message Rosealee when she attack, she text her.
She know her. Show the picture.
Show Rosealee picture them with you and Shay. And Shay ex-friend this. The girl don't want a friend from Shay because Shay on the media go and kill it and Shay son there Jamaica gully. See there, Shay son there Jamaica gully with Waragwan and she not like how she a go and try to take out her son.
Yeah, Jamaica gully, exactly.
Yeah, Waragwan down there. She hurt. Oh, she a going for the media and help her son. She hurt, talk girl.
But she ever clock Rose and ever clock some people and she feel worse than her. Worse after me. In my house with my pit, in my house that is my pit. That my pit. There's some of the people that every single day or every other day or every week and now look after him. Sure, a girl pitney and show me how to do shake. It should stay one Shay, so I come just like Shay. I wouldn't need that.
Black dusty girl, I know. Mother.
How them to mute me?
Mother.
Yeah, me I hear you.
When I do your surgery and you wear your bra, you do your breast can't show yet until some time.
Yeah, what go do just to surgery and show breast?
Come on for your man.
But the breast not for something there?
I'm thinking well Shay we are class cancer, go by like us say cancer, big foot cancer.
Well you say good girl when you hear the story come on.
Yeah, talk.
Show the other picture, girl. Show the other.
Now fear reason being why she send the baby girl England is to she move over with me. And she have things, she want to go for the rest of things, them and she can't. In the middle of work still, but it never like that. It never so deep because me never know about it. If it is so deep, me and I discuss about it. It never so deep, me have whole of friends about the place that way. Me could have made look on that baby and everything and way. It never was so deep like what she make you look about singer. When me ask what the reason, that was for a reason. Because she have to go over back a Belgium for the rest of her stuff them and this and that and way and ask her and watch it not blood clot that. No stuff people all know she never go back for no stuff. Never go back for no stuff. She did in the house. The baby was supposed to spend was it 2 weeks or 2 weeks or something like that. They did a telephone call. When I tell you that discuss about what the girl that convinced her like say. Like you just go crazy. If you want to get yourself for look home, you keep off your month or two for your this and that and a plan to get her not reach and all type of dirty things. And so and she go and catch her. No self, you know, because she not catch no self member. She just come over my country, which is France. She not really legal. We stay in France unless we do certain things. Whenever I do nothing, I think she just sit down. So I don't know why they start out herself on TikTok and that course every day. And the things them. She never did that not when she left the people. The other day, 1 week and one thing blood clot pass. The woman called blood clot Shay. Shay, I want the hospital, you know, I want Shay, I say, wow, this, that, judgment people. The baby, Shay say, wow, the people meet in an accident. The baby meet in an accident in England. In a woman, also the woman blood clot second, nobody knows what happened. Can remember she don't know this woman, nobody know. Because people don't want to go down in that blood clot story. When time them check up that woman, their backbone is like, is that a mad woman chasing her picnic go, gee? That's how them that make it look. And I don't know it go. I don't know it come down. And that them say, girl, even if they depend on that listener, that the police them say me have to work out what the police say. I'm there right beside that Shay with everything. You see all them something here, them a pull up on all Queenie. But pedophile not really good. Cause when them go down in this sitting with the baby and something all the person where they take the baby have background and that pull up in that things and so if this ever get in a them for them something I can say a next judgment but so say yeah one leave me alone. You understand?
Oh, wait a minute.
That's some people. Me not cut, eh?
Me not cut you. So you said the person where she send the baby to did have file charge too?
No, not the person where she said this. Not the person where she said. Yeah, I say the person do it or nothing. But I'm just saying the person, my friend and my friend, my butch friend. You understand? You end up pull up like some girl tell like on him so man a pet I like some girl pull some rep child mention it back. Cause me see the docket where then they send come get Shay. I say Shay must not.
Hey, my people, this a woman here we attack. We say my Shay ex. Him son retarded the fuck. You know what I mean? Him son away. Him son away. Tell me him son too. No? See, also my people, Shay a move loose, man. The way how the person you talk, Shay a move loose, my friend. You have to protect your youth them 100%. And if you are sending youth them go nobody place, you have to really know the person. And even when you know a person, it's not good for send a youth to nobody at all. The only person who are going to protect your youth are you. And sometimes the parents even hurt the youth because your father will touch them own daughter too. You see me I say? So you have to really, and plus it's a girl picnic. No man, she move loose. And some things the Rosealee a cuss her and I say, Rosealee this for cuss her and say them things there. You understand? Yo, you have some women still, you know, them not ready for them pitney yet, you know. But through them have sex, them breed. And when them carry the pitney, them not really want nobody to hold them down. They want to have them life and live it same way. You understand? So at the end of the day, the pitney them suffer. You see, me not say I picnic them and suffer still, you know, but nothing like when I picnic all them motherfoot. Nothing like that. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think, me people. I can watch some more.
Close it and show it to anybody and show it to the world. And it depends on the sitting in a red white and say you can't get in a trouble if you show nobody. And you say Shay man. Shay show everybody.
Whoa. Oh shit. So she never did no background check on the person before she send the baby go give them.
I don't know the girl because I every time the girls is snore long, but her phone never talk when they never when nitty gritty come down. Come here class the girl, you know, come get mad. And so and when the girl bring the baby got the hospital people, the girl either child say she had a baby mother auntie, me know I remember telling no lie. One of them and them know a lie or something. And then them get to Shay and Shay talk one different story. So them said, no man, they said the hospital come know England that England around for they come on to pick me. So them call the police or child care service or where them want to do my love. And get down in night. And from that day to today day where Shay at this one and said the baby day. Her father, uncle, brother, every blood clot. Shay and all the son and our family and member left. Before you tell them to the baby day, whether an auntie, a granny, a uncle, it's only have the family member live. If you stay out with the baby day, but they have blood clot father.
Crazy.
Live boy have a blood clot, eh?
At what age was Shore when she sent Shore to England? Can you remember?
2.
Okay.
2. Yeah. 2.
That's what Crazy is saying, known boss. He's been in a situation for something like that. Crazy say I lie them I tell upon him though.
No, yeah, but just come on and understand me and show them saying really good. But for them side, for them something they mention again. Because that's how I know that them not gonna make the baby come run nobody way after, if anything.
Alright, so the comment is asking the other day Shay show a black baby on the live in the park. Is Shore black or brown? They want to know if that's Shay baby that she had in the park, the black baby. She brown. So okay, so the baby Shay have in the park wasn't the baby then. Okay, so guys, the baby she had in the park is not Shore. Okay. You guys
take the people say terrible. Me never did know people. She sent her baby to a total stranger where she never know yet.
Oh God.
And then she want to come blame me. She used to get mad one time in her fighting her and she said, are you made them take care of my baby? I get mad when her blood come feel her way. You see me? I say, like we really know you have your baby, but like you know.
Mother reach there. Mother the question them when you're curious about we get answer for them. Oh my God.
The thing is, people, I didn't know because I wouldn't make sure do that. Me wouldn't make sure say that. It's sure nice, you know. Oh yeah. But when I see mother, you know, there's something.
Maybe she not sending it. Continue.
You know.
Thank you, T.
Yeah, but
morning. Crazy, just with the story. Oh, she lose the baby. The baby had it 2. Remember, we curious what age the baby be? The baby had 2.
Yeah.
And Crazy, see mother come here. Make Crazy can tell her because it's crazy.
Yeah. The baby was 2 at the time.
Morning, everyone. Yeah. So look at now. Maybe you answer the question already. So she just get up and give her the baby. So what reason what she give the baby as far as the concern, Crazy? Why she give her the baby?
I'm gonna repeat. Yeah, me did tell her already, but I'm gonna repeat and tell your mother. When we did meet her, you understand? Mommy live in France and she live in Belgium. And we do everything fast when we meet her, you know? And like we meet her by August and by November, can move over. And I did my birthday the first week and she move over. You understand? When she come over, she and the baby and everything come over, mother. Everything good. Nothing in the plan for the baby go nowhere. I go to know, but the baby after that they are everything. You understand? So when the baby come and she and the baby come and then whatever, me work. I forgot I did my birthday and them that keep a little thing for me and things. So when I'm a boot friend them from England, they come over in France and they she that stay one part of the hotel too. So do all of them DJ and thing. Me left them one day after the whole shebangs and thing. Me left them one day, go work and come back. You understand, mother? When me go work and come back, me here, sure I got England, you know. Me I say, sure I got England. I mean, I swear to God, I'm not telling a lie. Kind of like say, very.
Girl, we believe you. You don't have to feel to nothing because it's evident. We see it.
You understand? So me have a concern. I think so me I said to her, I say, sure I got England. Yeah, me I go send her with Breezy. That's my butch friend. Me go send her with Breezy back to our stepmother because fear reason is let me get the nitty-gritty is because she want to go back Belgium for the rest of our stuff them for come over no stuff cause I know the stuff them never
so that means she tell us she go make sure sure go temporarily then.
No, like sister, they was supposed to spend 2 weeks. But although the baby supposed to blood clot spend 2 weeks according to she. When the baby didn't go, but we are there before we reach that. When sister she said,
am I phone?
No, a crazy live, crazy. Weird, crazy. Yeah, we need not hear that free.
Yeah, before I break up.
No, you're good now. Talk over back. Everything from the start, your mother can't understand.
When she said, never got England, so. I said to her, I said, for what? I said, I go to her godmother. I said, godmother? For, her godmother decided that, and this, so I said, you sure? Our godmother, me ask her the question, you sure? This, that, I got my friend, she going on her phone, but me have phone to mother because to me, my head never clock at the time. The girl.
And maybe, you know, heck, we do so do that we're there, because I have phone.
Right, that's
maybe,
godmother.
Yeah, maybe.
So, when I ask, I even said to her, even break it down and said to her, I say, you sure? Mr. Member say no, we as parents sometimes when they pity them we frustrated we get mad pan them and then you want girl get mad by your pitney and then no this should love sure this that I'm going on her phone. Look, she always send me be a Uber. That was the only evidence mother when me clap back in my head after a good while and me clap back my everything. That was the only thing Shay could have shown me. But can't do it with she know this girl send her Uber to TikTok or to apps how it blood clot one go.
So she never meet the girl personally?
Never meet the girl personally yet.
And she send the baby with crazy.
Alright, my people, so, you see more while woman have picnic and them have them picnic young and them way there, and them now want the picnic tie up them foot, them do some dumb stuff, you know what I mean? Them do some foolishness when them young, but me don't expect a big woman, you know what I mean, to do certain things. You understand? You have your picnic them. You supposed to be the person that them live with. But if you set up a way where you have to leave them for work and them with them, make sure you left them with somebody where you trust. Although even if you trust a person, them can do the picnic them wrong while them in a them care. But make sure you see somebody where you know. If you send your picnic to a total stranger, OMG, no sir. That's why I'm telling you, people, say for the dip on social media and this argument, be things are going to reveal about Uno, because everybody are going to give story about Uno for people bring on down. Make watch some more.
Friend, the butch girl.
And when the girl, the baby meeting at some accident, so the girl said, we don't know if the girl push down the baby or somebody go or what. You understand? They said the baby meeting an accident and one baby meeting an hospital.
So let me tell you, so the girl the tell she and tell she to the baby meeting after them?
Yes, I'm there beside her too. When the girl call her.
Hold on there, so I wish she don't tell the girl to like that.
When the girl call her, she say, what happened? And she say, Shay, because when the girl call her now, is when she gone a panic call her, the social service them come down on the girl. In the hospital of England, so she got in a panic and called me. She don't go say that Shay that day. The girl and the girl just said, Shay, and the baby meeting and these people I don't know, they want to take shore. And she said, oh, want to take shore. What? And I saw it go down now.
Yeah.
Because the girl tell the people them say, she and the baby, me don't want to tell a lie. Either the baby mother or his auntie or something. And when time she tell them something and she come on the phone and like she talk to them. What the girl said to them and what she said to them is true. Like when she tell them who is that girl to the baby, when she tell them who is that girl to the baby, what she told them it was wrong, mother. You understand? We never correspond. Start the call on social service and the judgment come down.
Yeah. And then no,
and then wait, mother, Crazy also said that one of the person, and if the person will bring the baby or the person will have the baby have a charge for grape. So that it's worse.
Okay, so yeah, and then she just gave the daughter. I don't know the people in the background. Also, I never know them do the baby.
I never know till long after now when everything happened, the baby gets into the problem and thing. Right.
I want to get something clear. So I never know them do to the baby. The girls, the grave charge.
Crazy saying no, she doesn't.
No, never do nothing to the baby. But what we know is that to them have the baby now, and them go down in an investigation. Who carry the baby? Would baby pass through and this and that? So everybody will come in contact with the baby. You know them go down in their background, and that information was confidential. I saw the paper them writing in red ink. Say Shay must not disclose this to no one unless she can get in a problem. You understand what they do? But nobody never do the baby nothing like that. That as far as me.
They want so Sky, they want to do it. But you did some guys it's already.
Yeah, but listen what Crazy say, you cannot come late. Crazy say she moving with him, with the baby was there, it was no problem. Couple days after he said the baby a guy in godmother. She has sent the baby guy in godmother. Crazy say, you know this person? She took up her phone and say, yeah, babes, this person sent me Uber Eats before. This person love sure.
Godmother,
Him and Shay and him friend, one butch girl, bring the baby guy airport or whatever. While the baby being there, the baby meeting an accident, and the person of the baby say the baby mother or auntie, she not quite remember if that the girl say if the mother or the auntie. When them talk to Shay now, Shay tell them something different. So the two of them story wasn't corresponding, and at the time I think Shay could go England.
And the funny thing about it in a mother, you know say that Shay that easy. Because I never know, because when I meet Shay, when I meet Shay on TikTok, you know, and she tell me say, she there in England and I meet her.
She was in England?
That's what she told me. It's after I go find this blood clot wicked girl never enter India and England yet. You understand me? Because even when them grab the baby, so me never have no passport at the time. I just did that deal ready to get my passport over here. The refugee passport.
But I want to ask you something. So the baby, you know, so she didn't get the asylum she filed?
No, she signed asylum. She get documents to the baby. She did have Belgian do them, give them 2 years. And then you know if she works, she's supposed to go in and work and thing and do the right thing. And then she eligible for can get the right things.
And how she so them one time she did get locked up with the drug, that's really side of the country, so?
Why?
Remember say after that she get pregnant, you know?
Well, me I gonna say this now. When me ask something for your life and you make a valid point, because we not too know about it, I'm not going to speak on it deep, but people
So them sister lie tell, so them can't hear say no lie tell because you don't try to add on no story.
No.
Because you don't know, you say you don't know, so I hope people,
Alright, the people, everybody make mistakes, right? So if she have a picnic and, you know what I mean, make her mother take care of the picnic there, she shouldn't have an next youth until she ready to take care of her youth. You see me, I say she not supposed to get an next youth, have an next youth, and I give it off to somebody else. Why? And I like say she at work and she need the time for and she know this person. Yo, why I tell her that's why yo, a man have to know who them have fit with, you know. And as me say before, some people when them young, woman when them young and you know what I mean, them get them first youth, them do some dumb HIT. But if you know say she have a youth already and now she come after youth, yeah, and do this. I tell her, and then them come on the internet and I bring down people and I do this and do the most and them with it, and them I do them type of things, yeah, and I expect people I go dig up them file because remember, you know, she dig up a whole TikTok law, he have file, you know, and bring it on the internet, you know. So why she not expects somebody I go do her the same? People let me know what they think we are somewhere.
The people that we are defend her, and I say people are straddle her. Yes, she's supposed to get studied because she's a bad mother and she don't want nothing to do with the picnic, and that means somebody's long time. Come see to her face. She not affected none at all by it, Skydiamond. Look here, you talk about it, she not affected about it none at all. So I hope she could have put a level list on her fake page.
Yeah, but what me I say is the other part you know, wherever that's the here one part of life that discuss about it, and the year I tell somebody Pr0Blem say it's two things to it. It's either she call out for the asylum or she snitch on the people them. And it's only true and it's only fair because listen, you see when she did come over here just come anxious because you don't know me from me the year just, you know, me sorry for me get accepted. But really, you know, you did too quick, not in Europe. Just come with our ex-woman, but you know when I mean girl and you like girl and you know your element, you know mother and thing, you know business where nobody wants to say and this and that. When we have somebody on the line, where I said to me, say, something wrong, Monique, why she want to leave Belgium? So you not clock it and this and that, but me shut it out. But after everything, me I realize something. What I did say is like say, yesterday one time, she did kind of tell me for the story, but me not love girl business. That's why me never get that. It's when she get locked up, mother, she when the drugs, it's during Corona time.
Yeah.
So the prison, they kind of overpopulate and the contamination and the rare. So a lot of people get that way with some local, with bills and this and that. So and that time they look like say, you know, when she get the bill outside and whatever, I saw. She bring the jokes come here while she there, you know.
Yeah, exactly. So that's
come here, she brings
Skydiamond, exactly Skydiamond. So there's no so more there's no way they're gonna just release her. So come on, say after that she get pregnant and have the baby. So something happened in between the song.
Yeah, what me was saying now, when she get on me and when she come over me, it look like she have coat when she have miss. That's why when she go back over there, them clamp her on her foot. When she tell the people.
Okay, yeah.
Why? But what she do a girl? She not find a girl, I do not girl nothing. You see the fact that she out of Belgium so long and didn't have France. So when she left and go back over now, because she have warrant for she miss her, them clamp her.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is that the two things what you say? When she run me, is a surety and a fact that she in an asylum thing already. So and it's true, she is not a European. You understand me? She gets.
Yeah, so them just release her song.
Release her
something.
No one speak.
But you can't summarize because we're not either.
Right.
Because I did D-R-U-G, she carrying S. And I like say, I want to go shoplifting something or whatever. Unless in Europe, they don't look on that as nothing big. Unless in Europe, that's not no big deal. But if it's a deal, but anyway, my love, but the picnic now sky, the people them the pastor, you see it, more than tell no lie because more than look up the story, more anything more than know.
And I'm more crazy. I am about more crazy and Shay bring the baby to airport. Shay crazy was there when the baby get taken away. So we are
you mean given away, yeah.
What happened?
Yeah.
Well, top of morning to you people them. I'm gonna take off the shit. Take off the shit so I can see on my face. Morning to my people them. Yeah, I'm come out of a concert something good in the morning now. Yeah. I see that I make a little misunderstanding and I come out in the open up, gonna let everybody know that I'm sorry, regardless, to come on the media and say that Britney Goff family them bring only mangoes only. I didn't check to know exactly what is going on. So I just came here to tell those people who I wrongfully say something bad about them. I come to tell them sorry. And the two ladies which I saw and I disrespect them, I just come to tell you sorry same way, you know. Yeah, I don't know if you accept my apology, you know. But that's the only thing I know I'm gonna apologize for saying that you guys only bring green mangoes to the girl like she's a goat, which she's not an animal. So my bad about that. I'm sorry about that. And first and foremost, I hear you guys been saying some stuff regardless of me giving your daughter Molly and your daughter some other stuff. Lady, I don't do drugs. So don't do me that. So you need to make an apology too, just like I'm making an apology. So I'm sorry for the wrong stuff which I was saying about Britney Goff family. Yeah, so this apology, I guess they say when I make this apology, everything will good for me. So God is in it, God is good. So I'm gonna tag the family them so they can hear something. Apologize, people, please.
When you see men fall, don't laugh. Learn. Learn. Because you're on your way up. And the things that tempt people to fall, you and I are not free from that temptation. No. Another one.